So here we go, in-app purchase, follow me. All right, let's try this. Buy for $30.99 Canadian. That is crazy. It's $30.99 and no tax. That's great. For the love of YouTube, I will buy it. All right, I just bought this follow me. It better be freaking awesome, and there better be lightning bolts coming out of the Anafi's butt. All right, let's go check this out. We got jets up in the air up there, flying around. All right, we're gonna try this follow me mode now. So let's see, so I'll walk this way. It's following me, it should be recording, yeah it is. Can't really see it on the controller, maybe you can. That's what I'm getting there, so it's following me pretty good. I'm gonna walk this way and spin around. Sorry, yeah, it's up there following me. Let's go over here, spin around. And spin around again. Oh, so now, since I spun around, now it's in front of me. Okay, so I don't see any options on the display to actually select front, side, or back like on a DJI drone. It's basically right up there. I'm walking towards it, so that's the only option you have. It's the direction that you put the drone in the air and then the direction you move as a subject. So let's see if it works this way. If I go sideways, it's there, so does it follow me from the side then? Yeah, so it follows me from the side. And if I go back now it's follow me from the front. And if I turn around, now it follows me from the back. So while I fly, can I control the height? I'm gonna try to bring it down to, I can. I guess I could do this. If I'm walking this way, I could bring it down low to make it look really cool. It should follow me. Get some really cool low shots because the camera can actually point up. Of course, I'll have to take it up here to get over this thing. But let me try this again, going down really low. There we go. And if I come at it, all right, now I'm gonna go this way. So it should get a nice low shot of me if I was running. That's probably a pretty cool shot. That's something you don't see in everyday drones. And then if I go this way, running into the distance here. All right, so that's one thing that you could not do on a DJI drone unless you turned off all the sensors. It wouldn't let you get that low and cruise around. You'd have to turn things off. It says orbit, I want it to go to that way. Is that high enough? Yeah, but is it orbit me follow? It is an orbit me follow me. Oh, cool. So as I move, it's an orbit me, follow me. Good, so it does have all the options that the DJI drones have. So let's see what else it has then. Oh, I see, do you want a really short? I'll do a short one. Here we go. So it should be following me and then doing some crazy crap up there, I don't know. What are you gonna do there, Anafi? And it's probably gonna come back down and follow me some more. So if I keep moving, gonna come and land on my head? No. All right. Okay, so now I'm getting kind of impressed with the follow me modes here. Let's take it out of the sun here. So I'll leave it over there. Let's try the next one. Tornado. Is this my tornado? I think tornado just means whip around you and go higher and higher and higher and higher like a big corkscrew. Yeah, I think that's pretty much what tornado is. Yep, it showed me a picture of a tornado on my screen as it is whipping around and going up higher and higher. And as with the last one, if I move, the tornado moves with me. So as I move, it just keeps coming around and 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 around until it gets down to right there. Last one on here is boomerang. You want to go boomerang right or boomerang left? So let's go boomerang left. I wonder if this is like the DJI one. So it's going out and it should shoot around and boomerangs come back to you, so I assume it's going to come back to me on something. It's going out and it says it's going to go to, oh, hang on, I got it reverse. It's going to go putting my arm that way. So it's going to do a boomerang that way, it says. It's going up. So does that mean it's coming back to me over here? Is that what it means? I don't know. We'll just see this. It's coming back. It's down under 30 meters. Oh, I'm supposed to move, I think. Hang on, maybe I'm supposed to move. That's what it is, I don't know. It's showing me all these arrows on the screen. It's saying, do something, move. I'm not really sure what the boomerang is. Bring it down nice and low and run at it. No, I won't do that. It's gonna crash, there we go. It does well at keeping its height. I like that. And I like scenes like this because you don't really see that. If you have a group of people walking and you're just talking and you have this sort of scene, that's very cinematic. You don't see that a lot. That's pretty decent. And the same is true if like this, and you have a group of people walking this way, you know, across a football field with the lines or something. Like here, I'm coming up to a difference in the grass. You see, it looks pretty cool from back there. So that's pretty cinematic, I think. I'm gonna give props to Parrot and their follow me mode for that. So I'm feeling a little bit better. I thought I was paying a little bit too much and it probably wasn't worth it, especially since it didn't do much. But I really like this. This works well. Okay, so I got the drone up there. Hey, the moon's over there. I got the drone up there. I got my skateboard here. I've got my glass phone, which is going to smash to pieces if I wipe out. And I got my little remote. So I'm just going to go at a slow pace. I just want to see if this thing can follow me. There's some trees that I'm going to go under. I've got it flying up high enough above the trees. So it's up there. So let's see, I'm going through these trees. Let's see, with the shadows and stuff, I'm just going to slow down. Is it going to be able to follow me through here? So far, so good. Ooh, went through the shadows, that's good. Still pretty good. Still following me. All right, now I'm gonna have it go the opposite direction. Just gonna put the brakes on here. I'm in the shadows, can it find me still? Well, must have some cool sensors because it obviously knows where I am. And now we're gonna come at it. All right. So it's over there. Well, works forward too, no problem. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it over because I could control this now. Oh, it's lost me, I think. Oh, did it find me? It's still looking for me. Searching, can't find me. Okay. It's flying around looking for me. Stop. It's pretty weird. When it loses you, I thought it would just stay in the air, but it seems like it looks for me. It flies back to the last position it knew where you were. So, and then it looks for you there. That's pretty cool. So anyways, I'm gonna put it on an angle this time, and I'm gonna bring it down low to get that cool shot that we had before. Here we are going now. So it's got the nice side view and nice and low. Or it's over there. So I guess I'll have to stop it before I get to the trees because it will just fly into a tree. I like when it's in the front. It looks pretty, it gives you a better aspect when you're coming because you can't see as a spectator what I'm coming up to, which way I'm going to turn, or anything of that regard. Okay, I'm not spying on the neighbors here. I'm not looking at their backyards, although it looks like I am. But it's doing quite well. It's following me all the way here. I'm going to come around the corner here. Oh, now it's going behind me because it couldn't make that corner with me. I'm just going to double the speed I was going. Yeah, it's got no problems going this speed. I'm sure if you were going in a car or whatnot, it would follow you no problem. Well, I'm going through all sorts of rocks here. All right, it's doing really well. So I'm gonna go over past this tree and then stop. You did well for today. Let's land it and pack her up. All right, I'm just gonna have a sit on my little skateboard here. Nobody better come along and run me over. Let me just power this off. So final thoughts on the Follow Me. Well, it is expensive in Canadian dollars. In American dollars, it's actually a decent price. So yes, I would recommend get the Follow Me because I had a lot of fun with it. If you have a DJI drone and you're used to the Follow Me, well, it's going to be different because in the DJI drone, you leave the sensors on so you don't crash into trees and whatnot, and it moves around objects as it follows you. This has nothing like that. So you have to be aware of your surroundings, where you're flying, so that you don't hit anything. So for me, I enjoyed the Follow Me mode on here, so I'd recommend it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.